Hello everyone, this is FD. We are in Melbourne in Australia and today we're going on a road trip in the Great Ocean Road. So we began from our hotel in Melbourne and it was Max who came and picked us up. Max owns a company called Bilby Travel that specializes in private tours in the Melbourne area and especially in the Great Ocean Road route. Good morning! Today we're gonna explore Great Ocean Road in Victoria, near Melbourne, Australia. This is Bell's Beach, one of the most famous surfing beaches in the world. That beach was actually made famous from the film Point Break in 1993. It was not featured in the film, it was just mentioned. Hi guys, your names?
Kane, Laffa.
Are you surfers?
Yeah.
You waiting for the waves?
Yeah. Hopefully it's gonna pick up bigger.
Typically, how long you wait like this until you see something good and you go in?
To the patient finish.
Okay,
I
good.
would say half an hour or something.
Depends on the ocean.
Enjoy and stay safe, yeah?
Cheers, man.
Yeah, cheers,
Bye
buddy.
bye. Next stop, a chocolate factory. Let's go and try some Australian chocolate. Ωραίο παράδεισο σοκολάτας. We came to visit a winery. Australian wines are very famous across the world. We came to taste some. We are doing some wine tasting. This is sparkling Syrah. It's a really special wine they do here. How long in total is the Great Ocean Road?
245 kilometers.
245. This is why it's called the Great Ocean Road, or?
Yeah, it's very long. It's a big one.
and beautiful as well. This is a split point lighthouse. It's called split point because right here is supposed to be the border of the Indian Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. Here you can read a lot of information about the Great Ocean Road. Total length about 245 kilometers. We start from Turkey, finished at Allandsford. We are now around here. We're going to go to Apollo Bay, and we're also going to stop to the most famous landmark of the Great Ocean Road, the 12 Apostles. Across the 250 kilometers, the scenery always changes. You see sandy beaches, you see rocks, you see cliffs. There are many places you can stop and take great pictures. We came to a place to see the view from a higher point. It's called Teddy Lookout. Please take your rubbish home. This place is called Teddy Lookout. It's in high elevation, and you see down the beach and the road that goes across the coast. Wow.
Thank you.
What is your name is?
Martin.
Martin. You having a good time here?
Yes.
Enjoy your lunch.
The lunch. You see, it is my normal lunch. 1 apple, 2 pieces of crisp bread.
Good. And this is
And that's green tea.
green tea. Nice.
Green tea.
Enjoy. Bye. Thank you.
Thank
This is the biggest town in the whole Great Ocean Road area. It's called Lorne, and it has around 3,000 inhabitants. Also has some really beautiful colorful houses.
Yummy.
We got some snacks, not for us, for the parrots.
You can try it too.
Yes? It's healthy, yes?
Oh yeah, very.
They're free, these, or the blow?
Yeah, they're wild completely.
And now that we fed the birds, let's go and feed ourselves. Here is where we're going to have lunch. Seafood, of course. Thank you. This tree is called mountain ash. It's the tallest tree in the world with flowers. It can reach up to 100 meters. This is quite short, only around 55 meters. The main reason people begin a day trip from Melbourne in the Great Ocean Road is to end up here and watch one of the best natural sightseeings in Australia. Wow! Wow! Τέλειο σκηνικό! That was it. We're now leaving the 12 Apostles. Let's go to our car. We came to a place called Blowhard Gorge. It's a gorge in the sea. And it's actually two of them. One here and one right next to it. And there are these amazing rocks left and right, really steep and vertical. And the sea that goes inside. And you see there are some amazing beaches here. There are some stairs you can go down, and if you're brave enough, you can swim. This beautiful small town is called Port Campbell. Our driver and tour guide Max usually does 2-day excursion on this area, and they stay on this place. They watch the sunset on the 12 Apostles, and in the morning with the sunrise, with this beautiful light, they also enjoy this magnificent area. This is the last natural landmark that we see on this tour, is London Bridge. Actually, it collapsed in 1991. You see that place? It was connected with an arch that fell down. Now you can only see a small arch. Even if there is no big arch, the whole place is still amazing.
So that's about it for now. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below. Have you ever been in Melbourne? Have you ever been in the Great Ocean Road? How did you like this video in this place? Just let me know. Thank you very much. See you next time. Bye.